Friends, you have the sheet of paper, right? It's better if you could use a scale. If not, then it's fine. It's not necessary. First thing, you need to fold this paper into half. Neatly like this. Can we all start doing that, please? Just fold the paper into a neat half.
I'm following my own paper mache design, but sure.
Thanks, Aldrich. Thanks for your patience, buddy. Okay, I've kept my length this way. That's facing me, the lengthier side. The shortest side is perpendicular to me, and I'm folding my paper like this, neat half. And I'm giving it a clean, nice crease or marking. Give this a clean, nice crease or marking. You should be able to see this line, the half. All right, if you are done, let's. Okay, I see you all doing it. Okay, all ready for the next step. You can nod your heads if you are, or you can shout, yay. You are? Now what I'll do, I have this folded paper. I'll fold it one more time. Nice and clean.
Oh.
Fold it one more time. So I had this paper like this. I'm folding it one more time. Now I'm just giving this nice little marking over here. So that, yeah. So if you open your paper like this, you should get 3 markings. You do? Awesome. Yeah, that's right.
4.
You get 4 parts, but 3 lines. Okay. Now keep the one fold. Keep it this way. You would have folded it the second time. Just open that and keep it like this. The fold should come like this. So keep your paper like this. All good? Is anybody having any troubles? Let me know. Here for you. Now, what I'll do a mini triangle. I'll do some ears. Thanks, Leo. I'll take my scale. Just keep it to this fold like this. Nice little like this. I just use scale. If you don't want to use scale, that's fine. I'll just do a mini triangle like this. I'll just fold this top part as a triangle. I'll repeat one more time, friends. You would have folded this, right? There is this line over here that you would have got. Make a triangle. You can use your scale just so that the paper is neatly folded. You can do this. You can just give a nice little triangle like this. Here is the fold marking. Here is where you do this triangle. Now, likewise for the other side as well. Just fold up. It need not be clean, nice, but just make sure that you're getting it to this line. Now give these two a nice little marking, like this, like this. It should be like a pointed rocket. All good? Now, do the same thing to these 2 corners, friends. Make a triangle at both these 2 corners. Let me do that. I usually use a scale. If you want, you can. So that I get a support while doing it and need not worry. Yeah, Maggie has got it. Good job. We can go a bit slow, friends. No problem. Do it for the other side as well. And
What är det för fil? Vad är det?
Jag hittade inte papper.
Plötsligt.
awesome. Okay, now you have this original state, right, friends? Now see which way you can open up the paper. I could open up this way. You can't open up the paper this way. See, you can only open up, the free end is only at the one side. Keep the free end at the top. Keep this free end at the top where you can. This whole free end. Let me know when you have kept it at the top. Friends, now only fold this one flap at the open side this way. Only fold one side. You should get a pouch basically. Let me know if you can get a pouch. See, you should be able to put your hand in like an envelope. You should get a pouch here. Listen up carefully, friends. From here, let's do one more thing as well. Maybe we need one more thing. We are now in the right direction. We have got the pouch. Now I'll come back to this point. Now what I'll do,
Oh no.
you can fold it this way. You can fold it for, like, you see this base, right? Fold it this way so that you get a nice, neat line through which you can fold.
I let go of mine and it basically exploded.
No problem. You can watch me. I'll send out these tips as well so that you can try it out. It's okay. You'll need a couple of times of practice, so that's totally okay. Do it the other way as well. Let us try to do it the other way as well. Okay. So you should get 2 new lines here, friends.
Yeah.
2 new lines. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll again open up the flap, just like we did. Okay. Keep it at your top. Keep this open flap at your top. Now close this one right here. We should get a pouch just like we did. Now is the most important step. Try to gently open up this in this way. So what I'm doing, I'm using my right hand to open up the front portion like this, and I'm gently using my fingers from the left hand to open up, to align it like a box. So like a box, it should form like a box. Let me know if it has worked. Now gently push this box a bit higher. It's okay to not. So what I am basically doing, you get a square here, right? I'm aligning these two like this. Just like this. Let's do this corner. I'm not sure if I'm visible here. This corner and this corner of this square. I'm gently aligning them like this and trying to make them this way. Now I'm pushing this into this loop. It will be a bit messy, but it's okay. Same thing here, align the opposite ends and try to make a triangle and push it into the loop that's there on the outside. Did you get it? I have drawn 2 lines here. Let me see if do you see these 2 lines? Now this line, friends, this corner and this corner, you should have a marking over there. These 2 corners, I'll just be joining. It will be a bit messy, but I'll join these 2. If I open up, you can see that these 2 lines are touching. I've joined these and I'm marking it. This one I'm trying to mark up. These 2, I'll be joining them. And I'll be giving a nice little fold. I'll take this ear. You can see a pouch over here. On the outside, you will see a pouch. I'll just put this in. I'll take this thing, squeeze this into this outer side. So I'll hide the ears, basically. Now to the other side as well, I will join, make a mark, join these to the outer side. Now you should have a nice little box for yourself. There you go. And you can use stickers like these. And you can also make something like this. Let me see where the camera is. Like this, ice cream cone, emoji. Or you can keep it something like this. With the smallest of paper, you can actually make this tiny box. I've kept my glue. You can do something like this. Probably, I always try to keep, I don't waste paper, so anytime you want to shred a paper or just throw it away, you can make a box. You can use this as your recycle bin, friends. Like you can put all your sharpened waste of pencils that you do inside this box. Remember to recycle, reuse, and keep yourselves creative as well. So you can use these stickers on any one of these. And probably you can do, I'll use this big smiley one. Probably. And I'll put one here. What else? And you can make a box like this. And you can also put these. Yeah. So you can make different designs, different sizes, and different things to keep.